इस खबर पर नजर बनी रहेगी, लेकिन उससे पहले आइए चलते हैं टेक महिंद्रा की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जहां पर कंपनी का मैनेजमेंट इस समय मीडिया से बात कर रहा है।
Our relationship with Hutchinson. As you might be aware, we started our journey with Hutchinson in Indonesia, where we are providing managed services. In fact, we built the stack and then have been providing managed services for the last 5 years. We then later expanded to Australia, where Vodafone and Hutchinson have a mobile franchise, and where we are providing managed services. What you perhaps don't know yet, and what hasn't come out in the public, is that a few days earlier we have signed a similar contract with Hutchinson in London, in UK, and we will be providing managed services for their UK franchise, which, as Susan very eloquently said, is like Jewel in the Crown. That is their great franchise, and it is our good fortune that we have been selected to provide managed services along with Huawei, which will look after the network for Three. What is called, their franchise is called Three in UK, for that franchise. Now coming to the current acquisition, Hutchinson Global Services provides customer lifecycle operations to clients in UK, Ireland and Australia, and has an associate base of 11,500 employees. HGS operates out of Mumbai and Pune and is amongst the largest captives in the telecom domain. The acquisition will provide considerable enhancement to Tech Mahindra's technique in customer management, in the customer management space, and thus will be a
टेक महिंद्रा का मैनेजमेंट वहां पर एक नया एक्विजिशन के बारे में अनाउंसमेंट करते हुए, हचिसन ग्लोबल सर्विसेज नाम की कंपनी उन्होंने खरीदी है। करीब $8.71 करोड़ में यह सौदा हुआ है। एक बार फिर चलते हैं उस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, सुनते हैं क्या कह रहे हैं।
And also to other customers and verticals in CRM, BI and IT services. So as we see it, this completes in many ways the circle. We create telecom stacks, we manage them for our clients, and this brings to us information and data regarding CRM, BI, and when we put it all together, Tech Mahindra secures a composite business capability, technical capability for telcos. Hutchinson is one group we are privileged to work for, and in fact, when it came to managed services, it was our first foray in Indonesia when we started this, so it's an old relationship. But as you know, TechM is fairly important and visible part of as a technology provider in BT, in AT&T, and in Vodafone, now in Verizon. So we are providing all these services. So suddenly we find that we will have capabilities which will be able to meet similar needs for these telcos elsewhere, and we would be very well positioned and to do that given what we have acquired today. We are committed to this opportunity and are excited about the possibilities this acquisition opens, and takes this opportunity to welcome all the Hutchinson associates of global services to the Mahindra Group, and they can now experience what we call the power of one. So, if you're comfortable there?
Oh, yes, I'm very comfortable there. Thank you very much.
कंपनी टेक महिंद्रा के एग्जीक्यूटिव वाइस चेयरमैन विनीत नैयर बताते हुए अपने नए एक्विजिशन के बारे में, हचिसन ग्लोबल सर्विसेज जो बीपीओ है हचिसन का, वो उन्होंने खरीदा है। 8.71 करोड़ डॉलर में ये पूरी डील हुई है। वो पूरा जो उन्होंने बीपीओ खरीदा है, और इससे काफ़ी हद तक फ़ायदा होगा स्पेसिफिकली टेलीकॉम स्पेस में, जहाँ पर टेक महिंद्रा वैसे भी काफ़ी फोकस किए हुए है और उनका एक बड़ा मार्केट है टेलीकॉम बिजनेस में। उनको उम्मीद है यहाँ पर मिस्टर नायर बताते हुए कि किस तरह से बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाने में मदद मिलेगी हचिसन ग्लोबल सर्विसेज को लेने के बाद। करीब 11,500 एम्प्लॉइज हैं हचिसन ग्लोबल सर्विसेज के, और मुंबई और पुणे में बेस्ड ये कंपनी है, और इसकी वजह से कंपनी को जाहिर तौर पर टेक महिंद्रा को आने वाले समय में काफी फायदा मिलने की उम्मीद है। चलिए एक बार रुख और करेंगे कुछ और खबरों का, बात करेंगे शेयर बाजार की।